Jeez, that feels so good.
And then they're molting it. Ooh, there's another glass. You can't go in that one. I'll have to pull you up by your tail again.
What are you doing?
Trying to have a bath.
Mom, good girl.
No, he's fine.
Don't do that.
It's on your nose, baby.
I can't hold.
Did you pop it?
Tried.
It's all white now.
Yeah.
Go try again.
Hurts.